So the first step we're going to do is remind Honey of how to do the trick of touch my hand that we learned in lesson 1, where we put a treat between our fingers and we said, oops, this hand, touch. Good job. Good, Honey. Can you do it again? Touch. Good. So I have a target disc, which is, you could use a yogurt lid or sort of anything you have, and a clicker. I'm going to hold the clicker and a treat in one hand, the disc in the other, and I'll hold it up to Honey the same way I did touch my hand, and I'll say touch. Click, and give a treat from this hand. One more time. Touch. Good. And a treat. You like this trick. Touch. Good. Touch. Good. We always want to make sure that Honey is coming to the disc and we're not pressing the disc toward her. Make her kind of work for it a little bit. Touch. Where'd it go? Touch. If your dog is ever reluctant to touch the disc, one thing I'll do is like take a little bit of meatball and just sort of stick it onto the disc to make it extra enticing. Good job, Honey. Good. And again, touch. Good. I think she's got it.